Hey guys, it's Daps here. In this video, I want to show you a fantastic way for you to earn an extra $10,000 to $20,000 monthly. Sharing this tutorial from personal experience because this is a business I have done and it's quite fantastic to do. So on my screen here is Flippa.com, and Flippa is a platform to buy and sell website, basically from domain name to your YouTube channel to website to blogs to e-commerce store, whatever it is that you have. As far as the digital assets, you can sell it here on Flippa. If you're not designing websites and selling them on Flippa, you are losing out a lot of money. Even if you don't know how to design website, AI can design those websites for you today, and that's the amazing thing. The simple secret for you to success here is for you to use your common sense. So on my screen here is flipper.com. Let me just walk you through the site. Let's see what's happening here and what you can do here. So if we scroll down, okay, so you can see that we have some categories here. I just want to start here with the online businesses for sale. Let's open it up. So here right now we have online businesses for sale. Let's filter this down to some of the things we want. So now let's look at websites that are not generating any revenue whatsoever. So let's just toggle this on. Let's just stick with website, newly built website that is making no money. That's to show you that you can design a new website. It's called starter website here, and you can sell them here on paper. So let's still come down. We can still filter this down a little. So right now, let me just go to status here. Let me just switch this away from open. Let me just go to recently sold. Let's see website that not making any monthly profit that has just been sold. So now let's go back. Let's start from the start. So you can see here, this is a website here, rapcollection.com. This guy just sold this website for $80. What type of website is this? This is a dropshipping website here. So you can see it, super simple and easy, right? This another one here, kidsbabyclothing.com, and this has just been sold for $500. So let's come down to another one again. This one says carwiki.net. This has just been sold for $250. This has been monetized with affiliate sales, and these have made no money. So it's a fresh, newly designed website. So you can see the same thing here. This just got sold for $199. This got sold for $50. This got sold for $30. This got sold for $399. Affiliate sale. This got sold for $150, $400, $50, $197, $400, $547, $5,450. This is my kind of website. Let's see what this guy has sold really. Another one here again, sold for $3,500. This is just wildreview.com. So you want to check out this website and see what type of website is this? What value is this website bringing here that has made someone bought this for 3,500? So let's check out this website. So this here is a service business home and garden. So for this website here, it has a 20 years old domain name, which is quite very fantastic. So the site is 4 years, it's making nothing per month, and then you can see that this is having good page views. And I want to believe that this traffic that this website is getting is the reason why it has sold for this amount. So you can see that literally, I think that's the only thing here that's making sense. So you can see similar listings here as well that has been sold for similar amounts of money. 5,600, 5,800, 5,800. And you can check those sites. You would see that all of them have things in common. So you can see this one has made $0 per month, $0 per month. These are sites that are not making money. So if you're good with SEO, you can easily just buy out website like this, back order them, and give them page views. So you can literally tell this also is selling because of page views. So this is able to attract 8,757 page views per month. So you can see, and that's the reason why these sites are selling a lot higher. If you don't have SEO skills that you can use to promote a new website to hand traffic like this, it's fine. You can start by selling site for $500. I can tell this here won't have any traffic, and it's fantastic if you can sell this. So coming down here again, let's just look at another category, which is where you might be spending lots of time if you want to do this as a startup business. Let's come to the startup businesses for sale as a category. Let's see what guys are doing in that space. So if you come down here, you can easily filter this down. Let's just look for sites that are not making money. Let's turn this to no alone, and then let's come down. Let's see. So you can see this site here is not making any money, and the asking price is $33,300. So as a matter of fact, let's just say that we just want websites alone. We don't want Amazon stores. We don't want iOS app or Android app, and even others. We don't want them. We just want to see websites alone, right? So let's stick to that. So let's come down here again. Let's see another one here. This is service and internet. And you can see the asking price here is 7,100. So we can see another one here, dentaldisaster.com. The asking price here is just $175. It's 14 bits already on this. That's crazy. So we can see another one here again. All these sites here are not making any money. You can see the net profit is not available. The asking price for this is $22,200. Another one here again, 4,900. Another one here, 8,000. This one here has 22 days left. 4 bid already is at $15. Trust me, this can eat up to anywhere between $1,000 and more in another 22 days of auction. Another one here, romanticpoems.com, and the asking price is $25,000. This one here, $4,000. And it's just amazing. This is a dropshipping website. So another dropshipping website. This one is the monetization is ordered. Affiliate sales. Just check what's working here. This is monetized with AdSense, and it's not making anything yet. But the asking price here is 8,000. It's crazy. Just come down here. You can just copy this site, americatracker.com, and just go check what the site is about and see if it's something you can easily replicate. But again, you can just come down here and just find a super small niche for yourself, something you love to do. For me, when I came here, I realized nobody was doing learning management systems. Even up until now, I've not really been active here. And you can see that you would hardly find learning management systems. And I just exploited that option, and I did make some sales here. Example websites like Fire Launcher here. If you come down here, you can buy digital products. So you can see this is a latest product launch here. You can see brand new top selling high quality Google profile with AI. PLR is going live on the 15th of July. So you can see if you scroll down here, you see quite a number of products here. You can check them out. You can buy the ebook and then buy the video course for every of the content here, and you can create a website around them, learning management systems, and you can sell them here on Flippa. That's not even all. There's another fantastic site here like PLR Expert here, where you can also come here and just pick out these digital assets here, and then you can sell them. If you're looking to make extra money online and you're looking for something to do, this is a fantastic business. If this kind of content is kind of content you want to see me do more, you want me to talk more about content like this, show you strategies, how to make money like this online, selling website, flipping website, just let me know in the comment section. That's my time. If you find this video very useful, give me a thumbs up. If you have any issues, let me know in the comment section. I'll look out for them. I would see you again in another video. Until then, stay safe.